Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a row between two rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel file. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I add a row between two rows. You can see here are two rows. Now I can add a row between two rows. Right click on the sixth row and click insert. Now you can see I add a row between two rows in Microsoft Excel. Now write anything on this row. Now you can see I add a row between two rows in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.